In this video, I am going to show the shortcut of square root. Okay. At first, I have drawn two tables. First one, unit digit of square number. If the unit digit of square number is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, then the unit digit of square root number will be, if there is 1, it may be 1 or 9, because 1 into 1 that makes 9, and 9 into 9 that makes 81. That unit digit is also 1. If the square number is 4, the unit digit of the square number is 4, then the unit digit of the square root number will be 2 or 8, because 2 into 2 it makes 4 and 8 into 8 it makes 64. So the unit will be 4. And if the square number is 5, then the unit digit of the square root will be 5. And if the unit of square number is 6, then the unit digit of square root will be 4 or 6, because 4 into 4 makes 16, unit is 6, and 6 into 6 is 36, unit is also 6. And if the square number, if in the unit digit of square number is 9, then the unit digit of square root will be either 3 or 7, because 3 into 3 makes 9 and 7 into 7 makes 49. So the unit is also 9. Okay, this one is a table 1. Now look at the table 2. In this table 2, there are some range and number. For number 1, the range will be from 1 to 3. For number 2, the range will be from 4 to 8, because 2 square is 4 and the 3 square is 9. So the range will be 4 to 8. And for the 3, the range will be 9 to 15. 3 square 9 and 4 square is 16. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So the range for the number 3 will be 9 to 15. According same way, for 4 the range will be 16 to 24. Just before the next square number, just before next square number. For 2 it will be 4 to 8, just before next square number. It was 9, next square number is 9, so the range is 4 to 8. And for the number 4, the range is 16 to 24, because the next square number is 25. So for 4 the range is 16 to 24. And accordingly the same way, for 5 the range will be 25 to 35, because the next square number is 36. For 5 it will be 25 to 35, and it will be continued in the same pattern. Okay, now come to the rule. At first, put unit digit of square root number according to square number from table 1. At first, we have to follow table 1, and from there we can put the unit digit of square root number easily. Okay, then number 2, omit last 2 digits from the square number. Okay, and then number 3 and the final one, follow the table 2 and put the number according to range. Now the example. Example 1, 6 to 5. Rule number 1, put unit digit of square root number according to square number from table 1. In table 1, it is very clear. If the unit digit of the square number is 5, then the unit digit of square root will be also 5. So at first I will put here 5. Then from rule 2, omit last 2 digits from square number. So I omit here. Okay, then it will be only 6. Now finally in rule 3 there is follow table 2 and put the number according to range. 6 is in this range 4 to 8, 4 to 8, 6 is in this range 4 to 8, and for this range the number is 2. So here it will be 2. So the square root of 6 to 5 is 25. Then next example, 7 to 9. 7 to 9. First I divided this in this way and the unit number is 9. So from the table number 1, if the unit is 9 here, so it may be either 3 or 7. So first I will write here either 3 or 7 in the unit digit. Now look at 7 followed table number 2. 7 is within the 4 to 8 range, 4 to 8, that is number is 2. Here it will be 2. So the answer should be either 23 or 27. Now check it. In this case here the number is 2. We have found it in range number 2. So I just multiply 2 with the next number, that is 3. We get 6. In this case 6 is less than 7. 6 is less than 7. If the product is less than the first number, then the lesser one is the answer. Okay, so it will be this one. It will be this number. Okay, so 729 square root will be 23. Now in this example it is 676. I divided 676, and from the 76 it is the unit is 6. So according to table number 1, if the unit is 6, then the unit of the square root is either 4 or 6. So here I can write it will be either 4 or 6. Okay, and there is 6 from table number 2. It is easy that 6 is in this range 4 to 8, so it will be 2. Okay, so it is either 24 or 26. Now in this case, as the number is 2, we will multiply 2 into 3, just the next number with the next number. 2 into 3 will be 6, and in this case here it is 7, and in this case here it is 7. 6 is less than 7. Sorry, in this case it is 6, and the first is also 6. Yes, both are equal, so I will take the x number 26. Okay, if here the product was less than this number, then it was 24. Just before case. In this case 6 was less than 7. In this case the product was less than the first number, so it took 23 as the answer. But in this case this product is same with this first number, so it will be 26. Okay, if it was less than 6, if the product was less than 6, then we will take the 24. So the answer is 26. In this case in this case it is 10404. So at first I will divide it, and for 04 as the unit is 4, so from table number 1, if here unit is 4, it should be 2 or 8. It should be 2 or 8. So for this one, its unit will be 2 or 8. Now come to the 104. 104 is in the range of these 104, 100 to 120. 104 is in this range, so it will be all 10. So the number will be 10. Now the problem is this: it will be either 2 or 8. Now here it is 10. Here we have got it 10. Now 10 into 11, it will make 110. Okay, but it was 104. Now 104 is less than 110, so I will take the smaller one. Okay, 102. If 104 was greater than 110, then we took 108. So the answer is 102. In this case it is 11881. So I first divide it in this way, and the unit is 1. In case from table number 1, if the unit is 1, so it should be 109. So the unit of the square root should be either 1 or 9. Now from 118 from table number 2, it is in this range 100 to 120. So it should be 10. So it should be 10. Okay. Now the problem is it should be either 101 or 109. As we have got the only 10, so it should be 10 into 11, that is 110. But in this case here it is 1118. 1118 is greater than 110. So we should take this number, greater one. As this number is greater than the product, so here the answer should be the greater one. The answer is 109. Okay, so the square root of 11881 is 109. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching it. If you find any problem, please feel free to comment here. Okay, thank you for watching.